Hello, welcome to Crypto CJ's Trade of the Day. Today, I'm going to talk about opportunities to short this bull market. Yeah, I said it. Let's short a bull market. Let's go to the chart, shall we? So I have set various alerts on certain coins. And here's one of them. On the hour chart on Uniswap or UNI, I have a few alerts set on certain coins at the 70 level. Now, usually once a coin goes beyond the 70 level on the RSI, it's considered overbought and it's due for a correction. It's usually due to drop. Now, this bull market has made the strategy more difficult because a lot of times coins will hit 70 and keep going for a while, or just drop a little bit, an insufficient amount to make a short position. Technically, it's not a real short position for me because I like to use the FTX bear coins and the Binance down coins that are 2 to 3x leverage. So, and they don't disappear or totally lose their value if they go against you for a while. You can hold the coins until they come back, which is the feature I like the most. So anyway, this RSI Uni alert goes off at 1758, and I'm thinking I want to buy Uni down. I want to take advantage of 2x to 3x leverage on Binance. So let's go to the Uni down chart. This is where the alert happens. And I don't get in right away. I want to see how this coin's going to respond. It does drop a little bit more, but then it starts to move up. You may recall that Uni down coin will move up as the underlying coin Uni goes down. So got to keep that in mind. And then I'm also interested in what Altcoin Alert has to say about Uni, because I have been shorting this coin primarily for the last 4 to 6 weeks, because Altcoin Alert has had a single-digit score or a low double-digit score on Uniswap, indicating that it thinks the coin is ready to continue to move down. But the recent bull run in Bitcoin has brought up most of the altcoins as well, including Uniswap. So this is where Altcoin Alert has Uniswap categorized or evaluated in the past day. So at the time I'm looking, right about shortly before my alarm goes off last night at 5:50, it has Uniswap at neutral to 40.0 score. That's a low neutral score. Ideally, this would be bearish or very bearish if I'm considering a shorting type move, but a low neutral, I'll take it. What I don't want to see is bullish or very bullish. In that situation, I probably would just not take the trade. So Altcoin Alert came in handy here. Back to the Uni down chart, and I see what I'm looking for. I see uptrending coins. I probably waited a little too long. I'm usually looking for 3 uptrending candles before I get in. And I've got that plus a couple more. So I buy Uni down for 2.598 at 1850, 6:50 p.m. The coin rises slightly, goes sideways, and then makes a nice move up right about bedtime for me. I sell this at 2.800 at 2306 for a 7.66 profit. I got a little ahead of myself. I want to tell you how I evaluated the exit point. So let's go back and do that. So there's some pretty obvious resistance levels here, right at a little over 22.8. This one here, this one here, and this one here, all preceding my purchase point. So to 2.813, I go ahead and just set it at even 2.800, and it takes me out right at my goal, and it only takes a little over 4 hours. So it's a really nice day trade. If I can make nearly 8% in 4 hours, I'm really happy with that. So that's all I have. That's how you look at potential short positions in a bull market. I wasn't greedy. I didn't go for 10 or 20%. I kept it in the single digits. And, as you can see, Uniswap made a run up and then dropped considerably. Of course, it then did this too. But regardless, this is how I evaluate down coins in a bull market. Please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the links in my comments. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.